Over the last year, our cloud infrastructure has been extensively upgrading to an integrated architecture that consists of 4 major parts: central regions, local regions, edge nodes, and cloud appliances. Central regions are located in Tier 1 and core regions. All Alibaba cloud services are available in central regions. We have 23 central regions across the globe. Local regions are delivering consistent cloud experience at lower latencies and offering more than 30 Alibaba cloud products across 5 product families. Local regions will be located in areas with robust digital economies, with the first of these local regions located in Nanjing and Thailand. More than 10 local regions are set to be deployed in the next 12 months. Edge nodes are strategically deployed in hotspots in more than 70 countries and regions across the globe. Edge nodes can be leveraged to build small, decentralized cloud computing platforms closer to customers, making it ideal for business such as audio, video, gaming, appliance virtualization, and content delivery. Public cloud capabilities have been continually evolving, but the underlying architecture remains the same. Alibaba Cloud extends infrastructure to where computing power is needed.
We're introducing the Next Generation ECS powered by the mighty Intel Ice Lake processor and the Alibaba Cloud's 3rd generation X Dragon architecture. You would enjoy up to 50% higher database performances, an industry-leading availability SLA up to 99.995% with these new generation ECS. It will also offer a turnkey, secure, and trusted runtime environment with security hardened by the onboard ASIC. This new generation ECS will allow you to burst up to 5 times the network bandwidth, as well as 5 times the storage I/O performance. Now, with your application running safely in these powerful, game-changing ECS, I would like to invite you to rethink IT resiliency.